So guys, you guys have actually been keeping on to me on when I'll be doing the Vibe speakers in the back of Cali. Bear in mind, I'm going to show you how we go from this to this. Yeah, they're back. Check this out. So guys, check this out. This is what we're going to do. It's quite simple. We've got a few clips. We've got 1, 2, 3, take this off, and then we've got a bunch of clips in the donut which are going to pop off. So let's get into it. Pop this here. Our screw cover comes off. Like so. Pop him off. Come through here. Pop him off. Twisty, twisty. Like here. Oop. Go from the front. Like so. Amala, he's off. Now we've got 1, 2, and 3 T20 screws that we're going to take out. I'm going to take this off. Bear in mind, this is like a little tricky now because I got no light on this side, so yeah. And because of these screws, I don't know why, but they're actually a bit more harder to get out, so I am using the magnet. So, just like so, I'm using the torch because you can't see these screws, guys. They're in there so deep. And it's where I am right now, at the back of the garage, and there's not very good lighting back here. And I've got the door blocking all the sunlight, so yeah, it's not too good. Not just that, I've also got the black print on, and it's a bit terrible. So yeah. Oh, that one come off. Torch one more time. Like so. All 3 screws are now off. Before I even attempt to take this door card off, we need this. And yes guys, I know this window tint is horrendous. I know. Don't be coming at me. Actually, go hard at me in the comments because this is getting redone, guys. It's terrible. I'm not happy with it. So yeah. I knew that was happening. Now I've got to find the clip underneath here, and then once I've found it, I need to try my best get this pick underneath.
Dashboard glowing amber dreams on display. Speedometer ticking, whispers come out and play.
This clip is actually the worst one. There we go. Nearly there.
No pothole can wreck. Music bumping, bassline thumping, her chest echoes down the alley, wakes the city from rest. She ain't no Lambo, ain't no
Here's the
Bugatti,
clip.
but her heart's got cork in her tires.
Like that. So, got this clip off, and that just slides up, back into here. So yeah, that's what that clip does. Just hold that in place. Take this little cover off. I have to go back on there for now. And just like that. There we are. I'm going to use our screwdriver to get into one of these creases. Any crease I can find, like that. Just pop this card off. Like so. Where did I put that other screw to that I had? I didn't have another screw here for in a minute, but we're going to need to keep that safe. So just like so, you've got this hook here. I'm going to first lift this clip back, like so. That clip comes out, this hook comes off, like so. Door cards off. So guys, this is actually what I've made up here. So I've actually made up a small 8mm nut and a bolt. So This is actually, you know, an old bot that I've actually had from Cali before. Well, I was just when that ride laying around, don't know if it's off Cali, might be, but the same type of thing. And I've actually got an 8mm little nut as well, and they're just gonna, you know, go together like so, which I'm gonna show you why in just a second. This door card has actually never been off, and I just noticed that because the one on that side, all this has actually been off. So, what I'm gonna now do is take this off, and I'm gonna have to cut this here by putting like an X in it, so I can actually get my hand down there to put this nut and the bolt in. But like so, I'm gonna take this off now, this speaker.
Engine hum low, giving hearts a thrill. She a highway prophet, preaching that calm.
Now, I'm gonna pop this off, and just like before, I'm gonna clip this. So, now it's like that. Come on, you bugger. Tug. And yeah, just like before, rotten. No good, no good, no good. So, now it's time when we get our vibe speakers. Like so. Got this one. Instructions. We need to take this here off like so. Ah, screws. Clips that I could have used before, but we don't need them because I'm doing it my own way because I can. So yeah. Now we've got this just like before. Gonna get our cables. Just like the fronts, we're gonna do which one's black and red. So here we have black and red, and then we have our black. Black and red will go to the black and green, and then the green will go to the solid black, just like before. So we're gonna get this piece here using a screwdriver. Gonna pop this clip out here. So now we're gonna get our negative, which is our black, so the solid black, the small one. That's gonna go into this piece here and just slide on down as far as possible, and this rubber cover will come over to that like so, and make sure we've got a nice tight fit like that. And then the same here on this side with our positive. Gonna do the same thing one more time. Slide this over, make sure you've got a nice tight fit, and then this rubber cover, just like before, will come on down and slide over onto this like that. Get that as far down as we possibly can to prevent anything from either slipping off or corroding or absolutely anything like that we don't want. Make sure both of these are down as far as possible, which they are. Now with these wires, we've got our solid black, and then we also have our, we have our solid black, and we have our black and red here. No, other way around. Yeah, that's right. So solid black, black and red. Solid black goes to solid green, and that's gonna fall, isn't it? I can see that happening now from a mile away. So solid black goes to solid green, like pushing up into there, like so. Yes, that one's done. And this one now goes up into this one, like so. Make sure he is in there nice and solid. I'll grab that light a sec. Yes, and yes. Them two are both in there, here we go. And then double check these, make sure they're in nice and tight, which they are. Clip that in. Now we grab our red tape, like so. Grab this red tape, which is wire tape, nothing special. And then you're just gonna tape this up here like this. Bear in mind, guys, it's a little bit weird without me having Carl here. So by not having Carl here, I'm feeling a little bit lonely. You know, it's a bit quiet. I've got no humour, can't have jokes with anybody. Like, I feel like I've gone back to when we started this channel and I was on my ones you know, recording these videos in, you know, just a normal retail park, you know. Sad. And now I'm here in the garage, my one, with Bully the big boy Beamer, who's just bullying us, or me at this point. I just want things to work. But, just like so, as Carl's not here, I thought I would do something that you guys really wanted, and these speakers need to be done, so they get done. And because of it, I didn't really need the whole car in the garage, so I didn't need Carl's muscles, but I did need my brains. So, because of this now, we've got this all connected up like so. I'm actually going to test these afterwards, just because I really can't be bothered like waiting around. I'm just going to poke hole in this, like so, and then I'm going to just do a little X in this. So, here, like so. And now, for my brilliant idea, my big boy plan, this and this. So this here, this bottom hole, I'm actually going to try and put a nut through here and through here, or through here and here. One from top, one from bottom, that's the idea. And this has got a clip in, but instead of me actually like needing to break that clip off, I'm going to try and bend that in. Get this here now into here like so. And if I was to go about it more like that, I think, and I can put one through the front and one through the back, and then try and get that done. So I'm going to put this nut through here and into that hole. This is where I'm about to go fishing, I guess. Here goes nothing. Oop. Oop. And that's not good. I've just dropped the screw. So, I'll get this out. Grab this screw. Try again. And then let's get this in here. So, just like so, I've now put a screw through there at the bottom of that. But now, I've now got an 8mm and an 8mm here. I'm going to put an 8mm spanner through the back onto that nut that I've done here. And then just do this again like so. Just to get a bit of tension onto that, like so I don't fall out. And then I'm going to grab one of these screws and put this into here. Like so. Do you know what? I should have been an engineer. I should have. Why have I gone on the wrong route? I should have been an engineer. Yeah. I'll tell you now. I always come up with a solution. Don't know why. I can hold that. Now, go to here. Let's go to here. Oops. Like that. Now that's solid in there. Told you I should have been an engineer. Kia. Kia. Whose idea was this? Oh yeah, it was mine, wasn't it? And now, the most important part. Time to test it. Which is good. Happy days, happy days. So, all that's good to know. I'm glad with that. So, let's rebuild this door card, like so. Door card. And then this piece, just like normal. Wire goes in behind. Wire. This hooks up to here. Good. Door opens and closes. Now, just like so. All in place. Yes. Gonna get these clips in. There we go. All clipped up. Get our winder. Like so. Happy days. Alright, that worked. Yes, I know. I told you guys, I told you. These windows have to be redone. Get our screws, just like before. One in here. So, 2. And then final one is the door handle, like so. Through. All that's done. Get your screw cover. Screw over to here. Go. Get that done. And last but not least, our handle cover. Trim. Like that. Jobs are good. Window works. Door works. Card's back on. And the speaker works too. Just like that. So guys, just like that, as you guys did see, it's actually pretty straightforward to actually do the back speakers on this Corsa. So if I can do it, because you can do it, why don't you guys actually have a go? And even if you found this video helpful, and even if you thought that I was actually going to fail, either drop a comment down below, and also drop a like if you are new here. And don't forget, if you are new to the channel, you guys may want to hit that subscribe button, because I do all these type of things nearly every week. And yeah, we're back, we're big, and we're better than ever. So, you know, if you guys did enjoy the video, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, if you guys are new here, drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. And yeah, what do you guys reckon? Did my idea work with the nuts and the bolts? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, don't forget guys, if I can do it, of course you can do it. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, of course you got it. Peace.
Cali, Cali, queen of the street, blacked out beauty, no one competes. Rolling so steady, rhythm on repeat. Cali, Cali, the Corsa elite. Cali, Cali, queen of the street, blacked out beauty, no one competes. Rolling so steady, rhythm on repeat.